Hello and a warm welcome to our tutorial today. I'm George from hansgrohe, and today everything revolves around the innovative bidet toilet, the LavaPura Element. In the next few minutes, I will show you how this product, with its thoughtfully designed features, can not only noticeably enrich your customers' everyday lives, but also add a modern and forward-thinking solution to your portfolio. Let's get started right away. The LavaPura Element Bidet Toilet was developed to combine ultimate comfort with an unparalleled feeling of freshness. With a variety of individually adjustable jet types, it ensures a personalized wellness experience that is perfectly tailored to the needs of every customer. There are 4 jet types: RearWash, also known as the posterior shower. This provides a gentle cleansing with large, air-enriched droplets, perfect for everyday use with maximum comfort. Next is LadyWash, also known as the feminine wash. This jet type offers an extra gentle cleansing experience, specifically tailored to the needs of women. For example, during menstruation, or for particularly gentle intimate hygiene in daily life. Furthermore, Pulsation. This feature switches the selected jet type to massage, which ensures a pleasant cleansing experience. And last but not least, Oscillation. This function moves the spray wand back and forth, ensuring an especially thorough cleaning. Selecting the spray types is simple and intuitive, so you can always choose the perfect option for your needs. The spray strength offers a choice of 3 intensity levels, while the hot water temperature can be set to 4 different levels. Now, let's take a closer look at the functions of LavaPura Element. You will notice that hansgrohe has already thought of everything to make the experience as pleasant as possible for you and your customers. Select push buttons and remote control. The intuitive operation in daily use is managed via the select push buttons, which are positioned on both sides of the bidet toilet. This allows you to easily control all main functions, such as the RearWash, LadyWash, or odor extraction. For additional adjustment options and personalized configuration, the remote control is available. This gives your customer the flexibility to adapt the bidet toilet to their personal preferences at any time, while daily operation remains exceptionally simple. Odor extraction. The odor extraction system reduces unpleasant smells in the bathroom. This can be controlled either manually or automatically. The automatic function activates itself as needed. Warm air dryer. After use, the warm air dryer ensures gentle and comfortable drying. This can help reduce the consumption of toilet paper. 4 temperature levels are available for selection. Automatically opening lid. The lid opens and closes automatically via a sensor. This provides greater comfort and hygiene. User profiles. You can save personal settings in 2 user profiles, allowing each user to quickly access their preferred configurations. Seat heating. The integrated seat heating provides a cozy, warm feeling and is especially comfortable during the colder months. The seat heating also allows you to choose from 4 temperature levels. Night light. The practical night light makes it easier to find your way in the bathroom in the dark. Soft close seat and lid. Thanks to the soft close mechanism, a gentle tap is all it takes for the seat and lid to close softly and quietly. Another key aspect of the LavaPura Element is its intelligent cleaning function. These keep the bidet toilet hygienically clean, ensuring lasting satisfaction for your customers. First, thorough cleaning and UV disinfection. The innovative shower wand is automatically cleaned with fresh water and disinfected with ultraviolet light after each and every use, thereby eliminating bacteria on the wand's surface. Second, manual cleaning. Manual cleaning of the shower wand can be easily activated via the remote control. Third, descaling function. Descaling the bidet toilet is a simple process. A descaling solution is poured into the designated tank. From there, the solution then flows thoroughly through all the intricate hoses and internal pipelines, effectively ensuring a comprehensive and deep cleaning. The descaling water also passes through the retracted shower wand, just like during the pre-rinse in normal operation, reliably cleaning the nozzles as well, keeping the bidet toilet optimally maintained and in perfect condition in the long term. Fourth, stainless steel spray wand. The spray wand made of high-quality stainless steel guarantees durability and is particularly hygienic. The smooth surface structure of stainless steel makes it particularly difficult for bacteria to colonize and thus contributes effectively to hygiene. Fifth, smart clean and hygiene effect. Thanks to the high-quality ceramics with a highly developed glaze, bacteria on the surface can be reduced. Sixth, powerful and quiet flush. The Aquahelix flush uses a sophisticated water vortex technology that cleans the inner bowl of the toilet powerfully and quietly. Seventh, quick release seat. Thanks to the quick release hinge system, the toilet seat can be removed in no time at all. This way, all areas are easily accessible, making cleaning even simpler. In summary, the LavaPura Element is much more than just a modern bidet toilet. Its stylish design integrates seamlessly into any bathroom, while its smart features and intuitive operation make everyday life noticeably more pleasant. If you would like to learn more about bidet toilets, take a look at our other videos in this series. See you next time. Yours, George.